Welcome to our magical tour of the world's #1 family vacation destination, Walt Disney World. It's 43 square miles of Disney fun in Central Florida, where the sun smiles down year-round. You're about to explore the Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and the Disney Studios. Dive into our incredible water parks. Discover our wonderful world of beaches, recreation, and entertainment. Plus, check into our vast selection of Disney resorts that cater to every fantasy and pocketbook. There's a world of excitement with every member of your family, and you can pick and choose what you want to see and do as you go. This family planning video is the start of your vacation dream come true. Describing all of Walt Disney World is a big, big challenge. The people who do it best are the guests, people like you from all over the world, moms, dads, and kids who are here enjoying the vacation of their dreams and making magical memories that will last a lifetime.
I like the magic in Disney World. Anything's possible here.
Let's go first to the Magic Kingdom. The Magic Kingdom fun begins on Main Street, USA, and spreads from there through 6 more lands of pure fantasy and fun for kids of all ages, even parents. Adventureland takes you from the wildest jungles of Africa to the rowdiest town of the Caribbean. Frontierland features a whole range of excitement, from the runaway mine train on Big Thunder Mountain to the 5-story drop on the incredible Splash Mountain.
I left my heart up at the top of the thing. It was great.
I loved it.
Can't beat it.
Liberty Square is where all the nation's leaders from George Washington on come to life for an amazing debate. Fantasyland is where your children get to share hugs with the storybook characters of their dreams. Cinderella, Snow White, Goofy, Donald Duck, Pinocchio, Winnie the Pooh, and Tigger too. Even The Lion King, one of Disney's most popular movie greats, has a starring role here in a bigger-than-life stage spectacular. Fantasyland is where Dumbo actually flies. The Mad Hatter holds his tea party, and hundreds of dolls from around the world sing in unison. The all-new Tomorrowland is filled with all sorts of out-of-this-world fun, including the thrill of the millennium, Space Mountain. Mickey Starland is a cartoon town where the kids would be perfectly happy to stay and play all day with Disney's lovable cast of characters.
This is just a real fun day. They were really thrilled that he came up and he shook each one's hand and they ruffled their hair and signed the autograph books and hugged them all, and my daughter cried.
If you love a parade, Mickey Mania, the newest in the Magic Kingdom, is a giant-sized treat every day on Main Street, USA. Plus, on special nights, Spectro Magic comes out in a dazzling parade of music, magic, and lights. Then, Fantasy in the Sky fireworks blaze through the skies as the ultimate topping to the most magical day of your life. The Magic Kingdom is the original favorite. Now, here's a whole new setting for the most magical day at the movies your family has ever experienced. Welcome to the Disney Studios, the most popular movie and television studios in the world. It's where the stars come out to shine. You never know who you'll bump into on any given day. And it's home to some of the world's most incredible movie and television attractions. You can take the kids down under the sea with Ariel, watch the stars of Aladdin parade down Hollywood Boulevard, and you can enter a whole new dimension in heart-stopping, eye-popping thrills. The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror takes you 13 stories beyond, then drops you faster than the force of gravity back down. The Disney Studios is where you see how Indiana Jones pulls off those hair-raising movie stunts live. The Muppets pull off some effective stunts of their own.
Welcome to Muppet Vision 3D.
Rockets away!
Totally 3D.
Really went out with
A big bang.
We surrender! We surrender!
On Star Tours, you'll enjoy a rip-roaring journey to the moon of Endor. All of the major television networks play a popular leading role at the Disney Studios. And you do too. At Superstar Television, there's a starring role for every member of your family, including Dad's supporting part opposite Tim Allen on the set of Home Improvement.
Today, I'll be hanging drywall with my trusty Binford framing hammer.
The art of Disney animation invites you to peek over the shoulders of Disney artists at work. Imagine your kids being able to watch Disney cartoons actually coming to life. The backstage tour of the Disney Studios takes you from hometown America to New York, through the world's largest costume department, through sound stages where shows are in production. Shows like Star Search.
Welcome back to Star Search 94.
Here you'll go through real post-production operations and onto the set of one of nature's worst catastrophes. Hey kids, think you can find your way out of the backyard scene from the Honey, I Shrunk the Kids movie set? Have fun trying. Then, go drop in on America's favorite turtles. You can actually meet these radical dudes in person. On special nights, don't miss Sorcery in the Sky, the perfect conclusion to the ultimate day at the movies. For many families, the most fascinating, thrilling Disney park of all is Epcot. This is where you'll explore distant countries and venture into the future.
It's fun for the kids. They have a great time, and they learn so much, and so do we. As we're leaving the park, it starts to sink in, like how much you've absorbed during the day. It's wonderful. They come up with stuff weeks down the road that they've learned here.
Epcot is two worlds in one. Future World is home to the geodesic sphere that is Spaceship Earth. Inside, you'll spiral with the history of communications and soar through star fields for an incredible view of the planet. Then you'll fast forward to the immediate future at the vast new Innoventions, an amazing showcase of what's new and what's to come. Here you'll be among the first to see, touch, and play with all the inventions that will soon change your life. The Future World side of Epcot takes you from beyond the horizon to futuristic worlds and down to the very bottom of the sea, where you'll come face to face with thousands of amazing creatures.
This is our third time at Epcot Center, and each time we come, we always manage to hit the living seas. One of the reasons is because it's an excellent place to learn about the oceans.
And we find the children really enjoy all the sea life here. There's everything from very small, colorful tropical fish up to the manatees and sharks. We enjoy the ride under the seas.
Wonders of Life delights you with happy, healthy fun. Then you're reduced to the size of a blood cell and sent soaring through the human body. World Showcase, the other world at Epcot, invites your family on a real-life adventure tour of 11 incredible nations. Here you'll experience authentic architecture, world-famous restaurants, gardens, shopping, entertainment, people, and cultures. Mark Twain and Ben Franklin are your historic hosts in the American Adventure, the centerpiece of World Showcase. Surrounding it are Germany, Italy, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, Canada, China, Mexico, and Norway.
We took a Viking cruise through Norway, and we took a boat through Mexico. It was terrific.
Illuminations is the world's most incredible display of music, magic, lasers, and lights.
Couldn't even imagine it. Like, it was better than any dream you could ever have. It was just brilliant.
There's no place on Earth more enlightening and at the same time entertaining than Epcot. Be sure to explore it with your kids. Beyond the theme parks is a whole wonderful Disney world of family-style entertainment and recreation.
This is our fourth time at Disney, and every time we come down here, there's something new and different to do.
Typhoon Lagoon is Disney's biggest, steepest, deepest, most amazing, better-than-the-beach water park.
The waves at the wave pool are just like massive. You gotta grab whatever you can, whether it's somebody's leg. They're awesome.
Any golfers in the family? Golfers at Disney are challenged to choose from 5 championship courses. including the ever-popular Osprey Ridge, designed by Tom Fazio, and the Eagle Pine, designed by Pete Dye. Walt Disney World is truly one of the nation's premier golf destinations. Pleasure Island's the place for grown-ups to enjoy their own night without the kids. It's an entire island devoted to nighttime fun, featuring 8 incredible nightclubs, plus shops and restaurants. There's a club for everyone here. For a family night out, Disney dinner shows are a real treat. The hand-clapping, knee-slapping, hoop-de-doo musical review is an all-you-can-eat country feast. And the Polynesian luau is as entertaining and as authentic as you'd find anywhere in the South Seas. Now that you've sampled all the exciting things to see and do, let's take a look at where you might want to stay. The best way to make the most of the Disney magic is to stay in the middle of it all at a Disney Resort Hotel. You'll leave the real world behind and lead a Disney World life 24 hours a day. Rooms, suites, villas, even houses come in every size and theme to cater to every vacation fantasy and pocketbook. For vacationers on a budget, Disney's all-star resort hotels have championed the way to world-class fame in the economy price range. Love the great outdoors? The award-winning Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground invites you to park your RV or pitch your tent in the middle of a secluded wooded paradise, or rough it in style with a spacious air-conditioned wilderness home, complete with maid service. In the moderate price range, there are very affordable Disney Resort Hotel options. Dixie Landings treats you to fine southern hospitality and gracious surroundings. Port Orleans offers a Disney-style sampling of good old Bourbon Street with all the ornate French Quarter flair. And the Caribbean Beach is a colorful retreat that takes you island hopping from Jamaica through Aruba. If you prefer a home away from home, with kitchen facilities and plenty of room, Disney offers many spacious choices in the premium price range. The Disney Vacation Club gives you Key West-style accommodations, ranging from a deluxe studio to a 3-bedroom grand villa. Disney's Village Resort offers everything from tree houses, 1-bedroom suites, 2- and 3-bedroom villas, to grand vista homes. Also in the premium price range, our newest resort, the Wilderness Lodge, offers magnificent wide-open spaces and luxury, too. It's Disney's answer to the rustic Pacific Northwestern inns of old. Disney's Contemporary Resort Hotel surrounds you with all the energy and excitement of an ultra-modern city right on the beach. The Polynesian is one big South Seas fantasy, featuring tropical gardens, beaches, luaus, and balmy breezes from the lagoon. The Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin hotels complement one another with extravagant, whimsical designs. The Yacht Club and Beach Club Premium Resort Hotels join together in a magnificent New England nautical setting with a swimming pool that is an attraction in its own right. The grandest of Disney's premium hotels is the Grand Floridian Beach Resort. It features all the Victorian charms and the most regal luxuries and amenities. And near the Disney Village Marketplace, you'll find the 7 hotels chosen as official hotels of Walt Disney World. All of Disney's resort hotel rooms accommodate a minimum of 4 people, and whichever one you choose, you'll be in the middle of all the magic and fun. You can just about share every meal with your favorite Disney characters. They host some pretty creative breakfasts in the parks and resorts every morning. The many childcare options for Disney Resort guests are a kid's dream come true.
This is really neat. Kids have their own club. No grown-ups.
There's a whole world of special guest privileges available to you when you stay at most any Disney Resort Hotel. You're pampered by Disney's special brand of service 24 hours a day. You're as close as you can get to the Disney theme parks. You'll enjoy some of our most popular theme park attractions 1 hour before they're open to everyone else. You're invited to take advantage of a special length of stay ticket value that lets you hop from the Magic Kingdom to Epcot to the Disney Studios as you please, from the minute you arrive to the minute you check out. Your transportation is complimentary, so you can easily go from your resort hotel to all of the Walt Disney World parks. The best tea times are reserved especially for you. You can call ahead for Disney dinner shows and character breakfasts to assure reservations. And you can make advanced dinner reservations at the most popular Disney restaurants. Convenient charge privileges are with you just about anywhere you go on the property. And the whole world of recreation is open to you. Those are just some of the many special advantages of being a Walt Disney World Resort Hotel guest. So now it's time to start planning your family's dream vacation. Don't worry, we make it easy for you.
When planning your Walt Disney World vacation, be sure to check the booklet inside your video box for information on Disney's exciting resort hotels. Find out how you can save on a national car rental. Plus, there's a special limited-time vacation package offer just for you.
Well, I'd definitely stay at one of the Disney hotels or the campground.
For information and reservations to any of Disney's resort hotels, call 1-800-859-8269 or your travel agent. Here are some more tips you might want to consider.
It's best to buy tickets, make reservations, and book your dinner shows before you leave home, so call us. We're here day and night. We'll set it all up, even the tea times.
Getting to Central Florida is easy, and Orlando's big new international airport is just minutes from Walt Disney World. Plan ahead and definitely plan to stay at a Disney Resort Hotel. Make your reservation today. One toll-free call does it all. So call 1-800-859-8269.
The value is phenomenal. We wouldn't go anywhere else. I love Walt Disney World. I love it.
Don't keep putting it off for another year. Sharing the magic of Disney with your kids, especially while they're still young, it's like the best gift any parent can give to themselves and their children.
You know, sometimes when you wish upon a star,
your dreams do come true.
A Walt Disney World vacation is like no other vacation you can give your family. It's sharing a smile. It's watching storybook fantasies come alive. Seeing the world as it should be, through the eyes of a child. It's magical memories in the making. A vacation dream come true for you and your family to treasure always.
This Walt Disney World vacation planning video has literally been brought to you by FedEx, the official express transportation company of Walt Disney World.